Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your boy from Nuer Online YouTube channel. So if you are new to my channel, I would suggest that you support me by simply subscribing to my YouTube channel. What I'm sharing with you is the 3D modeling and texturing which I did myself. I'm new to the cartoon modeling, but I'm trying to do something later. So as you can see right here, I try to do 3D hut. You can see here we have grass like this. It is just how I made it. So you can see some things here. Let me try to share with you. I tried to build a whale, something that look like a whale. Okay, this place right here. So you can see it right there. Like I say, I'm a learner and I'm practicing, so that's why I'm sharing this work with you. Just I need your support, just to let you know that you can push me. Okay, and if you are somebody also who want to learn 3D animation making or anything, so I will say please try to comment in the link below, or simply try to comment on my YouTube channel. And also if you're on my Facebook page right now, you are watching this, I would suggest you to follow me. That is a support, and the only thing that I will do after that is to follow you back, because this is how we can support one another. And if you are somebody who want to learn also, it is fine, you can also comment and tell me what you want to learn, so I can teach you what I learned already on 3D software. The software that I'm using Maya, which is it is a software. So I can show you how to download it if you are willing to do so. So this is what I have for you. If you have any question, please drop it there, or any comment or anything that you would like to advise me. So thank you for watching, and God bless you, and never forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for the support. Bye bye.